Hey guys. Hi faves, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon and good night, you guys.
Hi guys.
Tell us, good morning faves. How are you guys? You're in the car? Where are we going? Where are we going?
Van.
No, we're going to the supermarket. We're going to the supermarket. You guys, it is a beautiful day right now. Yes, baby. Yeah, Van. It's a beautiful day. It was raining all night last night and a little bit this morning. Yes. He wants Keisha. But the rain has held up and the sun is out, so we're taking advantage of the day. We're actually heading to the supermarket right now to run some errands and stuff like that on the road. It's Easter weekend, and Easter weekend in Jamaica is normally crazy accidents and accidents for some unknown reason. It never ends. It's like a tradition in Jamaica for Easter weekend to have tons and tons of accidents. People just don't be careful on the road.
Like this car.
Just like what we are seeing happening in front of us. So y'all, take care this Easter weekend, you guys. Be safe on the road. Be good by the time you watch this. Easter weekend would have passed. So hopefully y'all are okay and had a wonderful Easter weekend. We're heading out right now to run some errands. So just be safe, enjoy your day, enjoy your family and friends and whatever it is that you're doing this Easter break. Just have fun doing it. We're going to definitely have fun this weekend. We have guests coming tonight, we have guests tomorrow. It's going to be a fun weekend and we're just going to enjoy spending time with our friends and family. All right, you guys, catch up and keep up, hit that subscribe button if you're first time watching the Fam Bam, and we'll catch you guys in a bit. So you guys, our regular grocery supermarket is on strike. It's closed today. All the branches in France are closed today. So we're at a different supermarket. Actually, I'm in here alone because Babe is in the car feeding Tyler. So I'm picking up all our goodies because we thought that in here would be full and chaotic, but in here is actually not so bad. I'm liking it here actually. Traffic is flowing, it's not so bad. So let's get the shopping done. And because of that, our fruits and veggie store was full, extremely full. But yeah, let's get the shopping done now. The boys are coming. You found me? What were you doing? You ate? You want to sit? What fries? Go sit. Sit. No, Mama can't hug you now. Sit. Go and sit. Papa gonna put you to sit. Come. Tyler is getting his picture taken for school. No. Tell him to put his hand down. You guys, I forget to show you Tyler outcome of his school pictures. Look how cute he is on those. So cute. So Tyler just told me that Geisha belongs to the bin. Geisha belongs to the bin? Let me see it. You're going to put Geisha in the bin?
Yes.
Geisha belongs to the bin because you're a good big boy now? Go put Geisha in the bin in the room. In your room. Put it in the bin and say bye-bye, Geisha. Bravo. Good boy. Yes? No more Geisha. Geisha finish. No, you just put it in the bin. No more. No more. It's finished. There's no more Geisha. No, there's none up there. Geisha finish. There's no more Geisha. There's no more. Don't cry. Don't Geisha in the bin. So why you throw it in the bin? You put it in the bin. Geisha say bye-bye. You put it in the bin and then you're gonna cry for it? You want it back? There's no more. Hey guys.
Hi guys.
You guys, we've been back off the road a long time ago and everybody got a little nap in, and I'm actually here preparing dinner, kind of sort of ish, because I'm only preparing half of the dinner because Jen prepared the other half, and she and one of her friend is on her way to have dinner and spend the afternoon with us. So it's going to be an amazing Saturday afternoon with our family, because Jen way past friend right now with our family. And yeah, so that's what's up right now. I'm just making some white rice here and some veggies right there, and Jen made beef stew. So it's gonna be beef stew with some veggies and some rice for dinner for the fam bam. So yeah, the family is here. Tyler is here somewhere. Let me show you guys. Tyler is already having dinner because it's kind of late. Say hi, Faves. What are you eating? Tell the Faves what you're eating.
Ketchup.
Yeah, and what is this? Chicken. Alright.
I know that's French. Oui, chérie. What did he say? Pas vert?
C'est pas vert, il a dit.
Oh, c'est pas vert.
So it's not green, it's orange.
C'est pas vert.
C'est quoi que tu manges?
Oui, chérie. C'est...
We match.
We're forever matching. Hey faves, you guys. Nugget is off the bed.
Nugget. What you started, you said nugget. That was say, okay, no get my baby.
You're an idiot. Jen and her friend is home. We took them home. It was such a pleasure to have them here. It's always nice to have people, and I love hosting. I wish I host every single weekend, even though that would tire me out, but I just love hosting. I love cooking. I love when I have people over. I wish I could just cook and watch everybody eat. I love hosting. So that was a long day. It's almost midnight right now, and we're just coming on to end the vlog. Just finished washing up dishes and getting everything prepped for tomorrow, because tomorrow is also another surprise day for you guys. But yeah, we're going to give you guys the French and Jamaican expression for today.
The French is gonna be a war today. Yeah, because tomorrow is Easter Sunday, so I'm gonna tell you how we say Easter in French.
Yep.
Okay, do you have any idea how we say Easter?
Joyeux Pâques.
Pâques, not joyeux. Joyeux is happy.
Happy Easter.
Yeah.
Joyeux Pâques.
Joyeuse, because Pâques is Easter in French. Say it.
Pâques.
Right, Pâques.
Pâques. Alright, you guys.
If you want, I can say Pâques.
No R in this one.
That's Easter in French.
So since you give Easter for the French expression, I'm going to give Easter for the Jamaican expression. And in Jamaica, we don't say Easter, we say Easter.
Easter.
Easter. Yes.
The Jamaican
So
always say and
yes,
not
right.
Sister,
Happy
sister.
Happy Easter.
Happy Easter, man.
Right. Right. Alright, you guys, here you have the Jamaican and the French expression for today. You get it?
Make sure.
Alright. Anyway, you guys, if it's your first time to our channel, please subscribe and join the fam bam. Comment down below. Give this video a thumbs up. Turn on your notification bell, that way you won't miss a
You
video.
miss Tyler? You miss Tyler because Tyler doing it better than you.
Shut up. Yes, Tyler will tell you guys everything what to do. Anyway, you guys, catch up and keep up with the fam bam. We love you guys, and we'll see you guys tomorrow in another awesome vlog. Bye guys. I just want to look at us. You look tired, honey.
I am tired.
Look at your eyes. Whoa, I look more rested than you.
Yeah, you slept.